What a night. Clear skies allowing temperatures to fall fairly quickly now. If you're doing a little snow shoveling as you get home from work, throw on the gloves and mittens. Temperatures single digits and holding on above zero here in Fargo, but it feels like it's below zero thanks to those winds. They're only about 6 miles per hour. They are from the south, and south winds now usually mean temperatures are going to make a rebound. More on that in a second. Temperatures falling very rapidly in northwest Minnesota. We're approaching that 5 to 10 below category for Fosston to Thief River Falls. 2 below right now in Baudette and Grand Forks. You're holding on to 0 degrees at this hour, and it's chilly out to the west as well with these clear skies, allowing that heat to escape. We did have a few flurries of snow showing up on the radar about an hour ago here near Aberdeen. Those are wrapping up right now as we head into the evening hours. Here's that cold pool of air associated with this clear air mass that's working its way through. That is a cold core of Arctic air. But just off to the west, notice the clouds. Billings, Montana in the 30s to near 40 degrees, and that air is heading our way as we head into your morning. And in fact, we're seeing temperatures falling quickly. That trend is going to continue between now and then just before 10, say in the 8 o'clock hour. You're going to notice this, these wind arrows, south winds start increasing in our western counties. You'll warm up, and by 10 o'clock, you'll be warmer than you are right now. But as we look off to the east, I think the cooling there will continue. I think some of you will be colder than Hutch's forecast model is showing here by the time we get to 10 o'clock tonight. Some of you may be in that 10 to 15 below category. But as these winds do pick up, they're going to scrub out that molasses, that cold, dense air mass that's over us. And by morning, look at these temperatures, 20 to 30 degrees. As we start our day. It will be windy though, and that makes it wind chilly as you're heading out the door. Can't rule out a flying flurry or flake along the international border as we go through the early half of the day tomorrow. The clouds clear. The west winds continue to really increase, and we'll see some gusts over 35 miles per hour as temperatures soar into the 30s. And out to the west, some of you into the 40s. So it'll be a windy warm-up and a few flakes along the international border. Those are the hiccups I was speaking of earlier. Tomorrow evening, temperatures on a breezy evening will still be near 30 degrees for many. In Fargo, we start out at 25, 8:04 that sunrise. Temperatures will rise. We will see peaks of sun, particularly in the afternoon, but that's when things really get on the windy side. So make sure you are prepared for those gusts, and if you're putting the trash can out, you may want to put something heavier on top of it. Near 30 for your evening. Your hometown snapshot shows all of us in the 30s in the 3 o'clock hour. All of us too will have a lot of wind, and we'll have periods of sunshine as we go through our afternoon as well. Speaking of sunshine, it mingles with the ice crystals in the air, creating these beautiful sundogs. A barking here near Comstock. LK, thanks for taking the time to upload your photo. Now let's take a look at the planning forecast. We will see falling temperatures on Thursday. We start out in the 20s and we'll see them falling off to back to the deep freeze on Friday. So it's a short-lived windy warm-up on Wednesday. The weekend, well, we'll have a chance for hit and miss flurries of snow, nothing too heavy. It does look like temperatures stay seasonable. That's highs in the teens and lows in the single digits. And that trend continues right into the middle of next week. So the warmest day is ahead of us tomorrow, but it does come with those winds. So keep that in mind. I'll have to put some rocks in Pedro's pocket because we don't want him blowing away.
He's got a little backpack or something.
Right.
Huh? Yeah, thanks, Hutch.